you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Chevy II Nova. It's had a complete restoration a few years back, done in its original mist blue with the blue interior. Super nice little car, real straight, slick paint. So all the grill and the headlight bezels all look like new. It's got the cat eyes over the headlights. Bumpers all been re-chromed, bumper guards. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. All the panel fitments are very nice on this car. Got a set of American Racing torque thrust wheels. The rear SS tail panel's been re-chromed, as well as the rear bumper guards. Tail lay housing's been replaced. Car's really nice, flat down the sides. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. This color looks so good on these little cars. It's got the wheel wood disc brake upgrade in the front. It's got a mild built 350 4-bolt main with 202 heads that have all been redone for the no lead fuel. Been updated with the dual master cylinder. Got a nice set of headers and duals out the back. Got 350 turbo trans. Tell you, it's just a really nice little car. All the interior's been redone. Dash all looks real nice. Headliner's nice and tight. The bright blue interior really looks good in the car. Nicely updated front and rear seat belts. Got your wood sport wheel. Got the factory jack spare. It's all in the car still. Very, very nice car, guys. Real solid. Does have all the SS badging and stuff on the car, but it is a clone. Got a nice AM/FM CD stereo system in it. Trio of gauges. It's got the Hurst performance ratchet shifter. Very, very nice car, guys. Fires right up. It's just a good sounding, running, driving car. So these little shoebox Novas get hard to find. Sounds good out the exhaust. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.